Hello, Mr. Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the short video. So here the other than Earth Planet Space Center group basically, they asked the Earth Planet Space Center basically, the Sunil R Nair basically of the Earth Planet of the Vadodara city basically. Have you watched that video basically? So they basically told that yes, basically we watched that, but we basically thought that Earth Planet people basically have trusted the have not trusted basically has tested basically the stuff basically. But in that basically now basically we have to check that basically. So one person told that who is handling America basically. So they told that basically America is handled by few businessmen basically, like Elon Musk basically. Then Reliance Group basically, because he also Reliance Group also basically entered into the uh, when basically Trump basically was taking shapath basically, that time basically he was also there. So these all are the businessmen basically. Oracle is there, Oracle groups are basically there. They all basically. So here the question basically one person asked that government is handling these people or these people are handling government. That is also thing, na basically. People feel that government is handling these people, but sometimes it feels that basically these people are basically are handling governments. So who is handling whom basically, who is controlling whom? That basically it's very difficult. So one of the person told that how to track this, how basically the testing plan basically can be created of this basically. So that's very dangerous thing basically, which just now basically which we are discussing basically. In this short, these all are basically very dangerous questions basically, which American government basically have to give the answer. And our American governments basically will say we are basically getting the power supply. Then basically one person basically asked the question, then how basically you told that basically we are number one? How basically you told that basically you are number one country? Then one Chinese group basically told that basically, देखो भाई, America government, we basically never told that basically we are number one. But American group basically told they are number one. So in this number one basically, this is basically the number one. So here basically the stuff is Indian government basically are also getting the power supply, the nuclear power companies. So they also basically might be the getting power supply of the special power data, na? That basically is coming from the certain level of land. So here basically we are taken as a 1 lakh kilometer California land area in next video.